Hi ma'am, good day. I'm Maribik Samson, 46 years old. I'm a single mother and a high school graduate. I have four children, one boy, 22 years old, and second girl is 20 years old, and the third girl is 18 years old, and my youngest is 17 years old. I have work experience as domestic helper in Kuwait 2014-2016. I taking care elderly 70 years old and my main duties cleaning, cooking, ironing, washing clothes and washing car. And the second experience as domestic helper in Hong Kong 2018-2022. I serve one family, two adults, two children, 7 years old and 5 years old. My main duties cleaning, cooking, ironing, marketing, sending the kids in the school and pick up also and bring the kids in the park and play. And the third experience as domestic helper in Hong Kong start June 2020 until September 2020. I serve one family, two adults and 4 months old baby newborn. My main duties cleaning, cooking, ironing, and taking care the 4 months old baby newborn. And the fourth experience as domestic helper in Hong Kong 2000 2020 until 2022. I serve one family, two adults and two children, 10 years old and 7 years old. My main duties, cleaning, cooking, ironing, marketing, and sending the kids in the school and pick up also and bring the kids in the park and play. To my future employer, hi ma'am, good day. I hope your choice as your helper. I am a hardworking, honest, and trustworthy and responsible person. I promise to serve your family as my own and I finish my contract as long as you need me. Thank you, ma'am.